you doing?
Good morning, Miss Cadence.
I've been up for a while. Turn the lights off.
Have you? It's time to get up.
I've been up.
Okay, get up, get ready, get dressed. We gotta go. Good morning, my loves. It's time to get up for our favorite event. Good morning. Good morning. Are we up? Why are you guys in the same bed? Braxton. Good morning. What? Adeline. Good morning, honey. Are you up? Hello. Unicorn Princess. Are you up? No? Hello. Hello. You have to get up or you have to get dressed. No? Okay, well, truck leaves in 10 minutes.
Set a timer.
Set a timer? No, you gotta get up now. Good morning. Good morning. Hello? Okay, truck's leaving. Beautiful, crisp morning. Degrees about, oh, I don't know, 8 degrees. Loaded up, ready for some West River deer hunting. Where will the deer go? We don't know. But it's time to get going and try out this whole winter camping thing. There's no room in the car either. Kids are somewhere back here. Hello, everyone.
Hi.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
Are we ready?
Yes.
What are we doing?
Going winter camping / deer hunting at 8 degrees.
Yep, it's gonna be fun. Just a little after 7 o'clock, Friday, November 11th. We are finally on the road, rolling up north. Where are we going?
Going to North Cave Hills.
North Cave Hills to see if we can find a couple deer. So, stay tuned. Quick trip to Walmart for some donuts and some odds and ends. And now, quick trip to old Fleet Farm looking for a saw because we couldn't fit all the wood in the back of the truck due to it being loaded up. We need a saw so we can cut some dead trees.
And then we can build a fire with it. And please stay tuned. There's gonna be an adventure coming up soon. In 2 hours. And she's cray-cray.
What happened?
She farted. She did. You did it first when I was looking at your finger. No, you did it. And now it's horrible in here.
Well, we've made it a little further. We're now at the grocery store in Sturgis. So maybe eventually we'll make it out to the woods.
Stop!
It's going great so far.
Except for I keep yelling. Except for I keep putting my feet on her. And that's why I'm yelling. And that's why she's yelling.
It's going well.
Look, kids, Bear Butte.
Yeah, I see it.
Did you see it?
Stop. Yes.
It's over there.
There's Bear Butte.
No.
Oh.
I've seen it before.
You've seen it before?
Yeah.
What?
100
It's right there.
times.
Not 100 times.
Okay, 20.
No.
10.
All right, Adeline, give us an update.
Where are we at?
Can you give us an update? Braxton, get your book out of the way. You don't know where we're at. We have arrived to Baja. No, we haven't arrived. We are at the North Cave Hills. It's a bit more snow up here. Not too bad.
A lot better than the 18 inches they were supposed to get.
Yeah, so glad they didn't get that full 18 inches.
Angel, it's not snowman. It's too soft.
Found our
Too cold.
camping spot for the night. Gotta shovel it out a little bit here. No big deal. Kids, are you excited for this?
Yes. Yeah.
Hey, you got Cane Boy?
Yeah, he's.
Where is he?
We picked a spot nice and close to the old crapper over there. I did check. The door is unlocked, so that's a plus.
Kane, let's get a collar on. My toes are super sore.
Your toes are super cold. Already?
No.
No. A little bit will be cold? Yeah.
All right, up here got deer camp all set up. It's a whopping 13 degrees out here right now. Actually, it feels pretty good here in the sun. Not much wind. Truck is unloaded for the most part. Couldn't tell it, but it really is. Got the tent up, got the heat rolling. Got the camp stove set up, couple cots set up. We need to put up the air mattresses still. Got our camp stone going. Kaden's just trying to get the dog some water. Braxton's looking cold. Gonna be good. Nothing fancy for the first lunch.
Sandwiches to go scouting. It's 1:30. We'll get out of here around 2. Be down in the south end by 3. Give us about an hour and a half.
Got our first half rack sitting in the trees over there as we're all trying to get out of the vehicle. Too bad this thing doesn't zoom.
Here he comes. There he is. Big guy.
I know.
He's running that way. There's a buck in between the trees. I can see his butt sticking out. This buck should be popping out. There's a little buck right here at the bottom. And there's a buck on that side hill going up. Might not be a bad spot to try and sit. Not sure how you judge your shot. Well, where'd he go? Get them all!
Oh, my window doesn't work.
Right there!
A whole herd
nice
of them.
bull.
Nashville News with Ian.
About like what I shot.
Holiday Station stores on Eagle Country.
There's another bull up front.
96.3 and myeaglecountry.com. wknd.com.
A little calf catching up. Ah!
To his fans who were furious that he didn't get a CMA.
Right there. It is going.
Right now we're going down a really steep hill and about some snow. We just got out of it. A little bit.
Rocks. Stopping. Looking.
I really look. Oh, it turned
It's
off.
like Whitetail. Joe's?
Yeah, they're white. I don't see
I turned it back on.
senior racks.
Alright, we got beds somewhat set up. Had to flip that one up because the kids kept jumping on it. We got supper cooking here, having hamburgers tonight.
The dog's outside.
Dogs outside, warming up by the fire.
Come on, big dog. Water.
Water.
Is it cooked?
Yeah.
Good.
First meal of the camping trip.
Mm-hmm.
Hamburgers and
Yeah.
ramen noodles.
First hot meal.
Hot meal, yes.
Hot meal.
Yeah, and ducko.
And what?
Ducko.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
You good?
Uh-huh. The hot.
The dog would really like some too.
Yeah.
Alrighty, we made it through the night.
It wasn't pleasant.
Was not great. It was probably 6 below and
The
cold.
the sparkulator got plugged.
The sparkulator was plugged and the
gas mixolator ran out of combustibles.
yeah, that happened a couple times.
But
I sorted to this little bad boy a couple times, so we shut him off.
I just shut.
Braxton's still rolling around underneath all these covers somewhere. Braxton, where are you?
Can you say hi? Opening day.
Opening day and somebody's birthday.
Whose birthday?
Your birthday. Today's the 12th.
Today's the 12th.
Opening day. Everyone's geared up with our orange. We're headed out to this find some big old bucks. So we'll see what happens. Hey, buddy. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Are you cold? You're kind of cute. Alright, bye-bye.
Mom.
Out there doing some scouting for us. Walking to all the end of the cliffs and looking over. While we're, sitting in here, eating food, staying warm, all the above. Right?
Yeah.
Somebody took some time and stacked all these rocks. Not really sure what it is, or why it's here, or where exactly they got all the rocks from. But regardless, it's kind of neat. All right, we are back from our morning scout. What do we see, kids?
Deer. Deer. And a truck going by.
Deer in a truck. We have about 100 million degrees in here. I am sweating. And we are working on breakfast, aka lunch, because it's really like lunchtime. We're going to do some bacon and eggs. And then we're going to regroup and go shoot some deer.
Yeah.
Yep.
And then I think we're still going to go down this trail so we can try and find try and find a big deer for Mom and Dad. For this lady. and that gentleman over there with us two, Adeline, Cadence, Adeline, and Braxton, who's down there.
Alright, we're gonna attempt to put one last sit in today. We've seen lots of deer. Nothing too huge though. Nothing we're shooting yet. The temperature is definitely feeling colder with this wind. It's about a high of 19 degrees today. It's kind of cold out here. But we'll see what we get here in the next 30 minutes before dark. Watching some deer bounce around out there. I don't know if you can see them or not. I just jumped the fence. Boing, boing, boing. Off they go. Last one. All I know is it is frigid no cold out here. No. Got a little movie night action happening tonight. Big pile of stuff on the bed, some hot cocoa, working on some spaghetti. It's his birthday.
Yay!
The fire is keeping us toasty warm.
Yeah.
Our pants are dripping like crazy because it was super duper cold out there that last sit.
Drying out quick.
It's hot. We struck out.
Are you
There's
done?
always tomorrow.
Adeline's done. Oh, there, you're close.
A new
Oh.
creature taste just came in from the mice.
Does it hurt?
Yeah.
Well,
You do that?
See if there's a smaller one in there.
it's right up our
Don't touch the fire. Don't touch the fire. Your butt's gonna touch the fire.
Oh, this one.
Ooh, that one should
Yeah,
break.
come over here and try it again.
long time ago.
Mom wants to get a video of it. Oh, up here.
You missed your knee.
Up here.
Kind of wrestling.
Oh, you got it!
Woohoo!
Dump them in.
And step back.
You got too much oil, you need more.
I think we might need more seeds.
More seeds.
Yeah, Johnson.
Okay. Yeah.
Popcorn!
Okay, now we're here celebrating my
Jeez.
dad's birthday. He's
Well,
turning.
good.
He's 37 now,
That's-
and
Carrie's
we're
trying to start back
camping at like
Back in
3
the store.
degrees, so we don't have any
Getting a
cake
couple
or
of old
anything.
church ladies
So we
together
had
to do
to
board games.
do some popcorn to celebrate my dad's birthday.
You know somebody?
And we're watching Yesterday over here.
And you're like
And
a fun killer.
Alan's over there
Well, that's
watching
why
the
she wanted to build
movie.
other one.
Dad's still trying to fix his clothes. He's eating popcorn. And my mom is too. Then
Spill it.
Kane, he's just staring because he wants to eat it. And
Yeah.
I'm going to get my food pretty soon. I hope.
Another day of Winter Wonderland. Today is November 13th, day 2 of rifle season here. We spotted a big one.
There's a decent one in this area somewhere.
We're gonna go try to find him. It's a bit more chilly today as well.
So we're here on our way back to the tent because things didn't work out right this morning about shooting a deer.
We saw a good.
Time for breakfast.
Yeah, we saw a good one, but he made the slip on us, didn't he?
Yep. And Mom and Dad kept trying to find them, but they didn't find him, sadly.
So we're gonna go make breakfast and regroup.
Yep. try again, and then we're probably gonna head back to our house after we pick up
Another brunch for the books. We got meatball spaghettios and eggs and sausage. You know, a little lunch, a little breakfast.
It's good to me. Ah, it's yummy.
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 Alright.
Gonna try some Kuyu coffee here. Got the jet boiler running. Supposedly we just dumped this over it. And it's not gonna fall in, I guess. I don't know.
Smells like coffee.
Okay.
You're gonna catch your sleeve on fire. How do you shut this off?
You might catch your sleep.
The verdict is
Not bad.
not bad or not good.
No, it's good.
Alright, update. We just put about 2 miles on, watching a bunch of does, trying to find this supposedly monster buck, whitetail buck Andy saw. Gave up, started coming back to the truck, saw 2 does bust, and I was like, wait, there he is! So, Andy of course was carrying the gun by then. I stole it, grabbed it, 1 shot. I think I drilled it. We watched him tumble down the hill, so heading up here to see him. I think I see his belly right there. So, I'm gonna get a little closer and we'll take another look. Alright, I can see his skid path and I see feet sticking up. So we're getting closer. The shot was from all the way over there at the end of that little thicket thing right there. Bottom side of the trees. Alright. Alright, truth be told, how big is he? Nice dark rack. Doesn't appear to be moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Try to play him. Yeah, I'll take that. Winning. Let's see where I drilled him. Let's see. He was facing the other way. I don't know. Yeah, not a bad shot from all the way across there. Whew. Yeah. Alright, after 2 days of actual hunting and 1 day of scouting, this guy was the biggest we've seen. And I don't really have a whole lot of other time to hunt this year. We only have 2 other weekends. And with kids, it's kind of hard. So, took a crack at him. And I am super stoked because I think he's my biggest deer. But I'll take it. Yeah! And he went to go get the gang to come help here. So, now, luckily, I didn't shoot him that far off the road. We just got to get him from there to there. We can do that. Shot from way over there by the bottom edge of the tree line there, above that tall grass. So, not bad. November 13th, BBD. And notch out my tag here.
All right, and we're in what month?
November, day after your birthday.
November.
We missed the birthday buck. We're a day late.
Yep. It's all right. We'll take this one.
All right.
All right, that one's notched. Let's see if we can get this one cut a little
Cut
bit
your
better.
fingers.
All right. Here you go.
Give me the blue one and I'll stick her on. Okay. Around the basic nose.
Just
Doesn't
above,
matter
just
which one.
above the brow.
Just above the brow.
Yep,
What's a brow?
the first time. Nope, just as long as you can't get it off.
Alright, it's on there. You're mine. He's mine.
Oh, it went black, so hopefully it's still
Yep.
going. Alright.
Right, Cadence?
Yep.
Yep.
Mom's dragging out her old deer.
Yep. She got her first deer of the year.
Alright, Cadence. Working on breaking camp here. A little snow flurry and the dark. Apparently we have a headlight out. Bright too.
Yay, yay.
But time to roll home away from home up for at least another week if we come back.
Next weekend.
Yep, game on. On the way home from deer camp.
Yep.
Ran into some snow. I don't think you can really see it too much on here. Hopefully it's not too terrible the rest of the way home. Radar isn't showing anything, but well, apparently that's not true. It was a good trip.
Just another 2.5 hours, 3 hours.